Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. Sometimes in Windows 10 we are connected to Wi-Fi but not to the internet. So in this video I will share you a simple method to resolve this issue. To do this, click on Start button, type CMD and run as administrator. Now here type the command netsh space winsock space reset space catalog and enter. Now again type another command netsh space int space ipv4 space reset space reset dot catalog. Now restart the machine and I hope you will be connected to the internet. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.